Fuck the SD's butter was too lazy to film this weekend, so I'm just gonna put everything in slow motion.
You know.
Yo, if you just listen to my lyrics every day for a couple of weeks, my techniques will eventually kill you just like Red Meat. The Bhagavad Gita beliefs I speak is so deep. Most critics get mad because there's nothing to critique. Whenever I'm rapping, I'm rhyming with irrefutably remarkable timing. I'm like Charlie Chaplin pantomiming. If you John Blaze, or you James Flames, or you Jack Cremation, I'm Jermaine Propane.